Hey guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to do some simple extrudes, a square and a tube, and we're going to start looking at 3D views. So let's get started. Um, to start off, when you were doing your intro to CAD class, 99% of everything was done in the top plan view. Now that we're in advanced and we're starting to work in 3D, we're going to work at least through left isometric. These other ones might be useful to you, but for now we're just going to focus on the top half of this list. Um, so keep that in mind. So I'm going to quick show you how to do a real very basic extrude. And I'm going to draw a square and I'm going to extrude it into a big rectangular box. So now we're in top view, and if we look in right isometric view, it still looks square because it's a 2D object. So now what we can do is when we extrude something, when we do a basic extrude, um, you have to have the object selected. So I have this square selected, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to model, and we're going to do the extrude command. And I've never played with any of these, but I'm going to make this extrude command. I'm going to make it 4 inches. So we're going to extrude it 4 inches up. Okay, and we're going to click OK. And now right now, nothing looked like it changed. Let's go back to right isometric view, and here's our big rectangular cube sort of. Uh, Now what I'm going to do, just to make it look, here is we're going to try a quick rendering method. We're going to try fast Renderworks, and here's the cube, the box rendered. I'm going to come back to wireframe. So this is in right isometric view. We'll come back, top view, front view, right side view. It all kind of looks the same. Um, but so that is at the very basic level how to do an extrude. Now I'm going to come back to the top view here, and now I'm going to do another extrude, and I'm going to extrude a circle. We'll put him right there, and I'm going to color him red. Now we're going to extrude again, model, extrude. Let's do 4 inches again. Okay, again, nothing looks like it happened, and we click on right isometric, and here's our extrudes. Now if I render this, it's going to show. Remember we made that a red cylinder. So now we're there. Um, so let's see. That is if you're render or if you're extruding in the top view. Essentially, what happens is um, when you extrude something, it extrudes away from you. So when you're in the top view, it extrudes down. Now what I'm going to do is, let's say we want to have a cube go across this guy here. Okay, so what we want to do is well, you could do either one of two things. You could do this, and we want this cube to be like this, and now let's extrude it to 1 inch. Now let's come and look at it in the front view. That is one way to do an extrude. Now let's do it the other direction. I'm going to draw a rectangle right here, and now we're going to extrude it away from us. So we're going to do extrude again, 5 inches. Now let's look at it from the top view, and there it is. Alright, so now let's look at it in right isometric, and here is our object. So well, you don't need to select that. Let's look at it in rendered view again, and here are the blocks that we made. So in this video, we talked about views just a little bit. I showed you how to do simple extrudes of either a cylinder. We took a circle and turned it into a cylinder, or we took a square rectangle and turned it into a longer rectangular box. In future videos, we are going to be looking at extruding more complex items and different methods of extruding objects. So thanks a lot and happy drafting.